Hi everyone. So previously we saw the selection sort algorithm, how selection sort works. So today we are going to see the bubble sort and its algorithm. So today we are going to make a program just like the previous one, which will sort the numbers in the ascending order using the bubble sort algorithm. So let's make the today's tasks. So today is gonna be a bubble sort. So bubble sort. Now let's make a program. Hash include stdio.h main. Now I'm gonna need integers, so int ning. Now I'm going to make an array. The size of the array will be determined by the user, so it will be a of say a of n. Yes, that's it. And also I will need a temporary variable, so temporary equals to 0. No, we'll not assign the temporary value, so let temp. That's it. Now let's printf enter the length of array. Okay, that's it. Now scanf %d and n, so it is stored in n. Now whatever my array will be the size of the value which is stored in the n. So now let's make a program over here. I will write here as printf again backslash of n, um, before sorting, again backslash of n, and then here it is. Now I will run down the loop over here for I equals to 0, I less than n, and I plus plus. Now we are going to store the numbers which will be the input given by the user. So scanf %d, and they will be stored in and a of I. That's it. And correspondingly I'm going to also print those numbers side by side. So the number which will be stored will be directly printed, so printf %d, and I will give some spacing, so tab and then a of I. So this is it. Now here we are going to make the algorithm. So again we will run down the loop for I equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. For j equals to 0, j less than n minus I minus 1, and j plus plus. So bubble sort is just like a selection sort. In bubble sort we compare two quantities side by side, and then we move on to the corresponding next two quantities. So that's how the algorithm works. Now we will compare if a of j is greater than, since we are arranging the numbers in the ascending order, so greater than sign is greater than a of j plus 1, the next number just next to the j. So if that is true, we will swap it. So temp equals to a of j, and then a of j equals to j plus 1, and then a of j plus 1 will be equals to 10. So we are swapping the numbers. Now after this I'm going to print. So again, a printf statement stating the ascending order is, I'll need here backslash of n, and again here backslash of n. So okay, I will run down the loop for I equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Now we have to print it, so printf %d backslash of t and a of I. So this will print the sorted numbers in the ascending order. So bubble sort is, let's check the program again. So okay, now let's run it. So I'm going to take a 5 numbers input. So 5, I will be using the same numbers which I used the previous one. So 1 5 1 5 9 3 and 7. Done. Okay, run it. So you can see enter the length of an array. So before sorting it was 1 5 9 3 7. Now the ascending order is 1 3 5 7 9. Now let's, so you can see the algorithm wrote over here. So this is the bubble sort algorithm, and here are the cases that I wrote. So our input is 15937, and now we are going to compare it with the bubble sort algorithm. So now here I is equal to 0 and j is 0 and j plus 1 is 1. So we have the comparison cases I made over here. So in the first case it doesn't follow, in the second case it doesn't follow, so in the third case it is a of 2, that is a of 2 is greater than a of 3. Now a of 2 here is 9, so 9 is greater than 3, yes. So after swapping it becomes 15397. Now you can see the position of a array. Yeah, moving to the fourth case, it becomes a of 3 greater than a of 4. Now a of 3, you can see it, now it is 9, so 9 is greater than 7, yes. So after swapping it, the array becomes 15379. Now from the fourth case, moving on to the fifth case. Now in the fourth case we reach the maximum length of array, that is a of 4, since it is a 5 length of array. So now there I was 0, now we increment the I counter to I equals to 1. Now here a of 0 is greater than a of, so no, the fifth case doesn't follow. Now moving to the sixth case, a of 1 greater than a of 2. Now you can see a of 1 here is 5, so 5 is definitely greater than 3, so yes. And after swapping You can see 1 3 5 7 9. Yeah, the array is arranged in ascending order. You can see it. So even if it moves on, you can see that since the array is arranged in ascending order, so no swapping takes place. So this is the bubble sort algorithm. So I hope this makes it clear. So thank you. Let's take another input values. So now this time I'm completely going to take a descending numbers value. So it will be like 963. I'll take it as in 9 numbers. Okay, so 9 6. Let's take it in the 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 and 1. Okay, so these are my 9 inputs. Oh, I'll have to type it again. So 9 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 and 1. Done. Now let's run it. So you can see before starting it was a completely descending order. Now ascending order is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So this is how the bubble sort algorithm works. So thank you for watching.